Good morning, traders. It's Tuesday, August 11th, and I am up, ready to do some trading. Just looking for an entry right now. Still don't have a signal, but I'm looking, and I should get one shortly. I'll take an entry and come back. Okay, I've taken a long position. Set the stop. Okay, I've got the stop set at 27. It's right there. 27, that's 11 ticks. 11 ticks on the stop. I'm just looking at the code here. What I'm doing is I'm trying to find the second code, and I'm trying to find it with the first code. So I'll be right back. I just want to watch the code for a second and measure something, and it helps me to know if I've got it right or not. I'll be right back. This thing's not setting up good. Looks like it's going to come down here. Yep, I think it's offset. Yep, it is. Okay, so I'll come back. I'm going to take another trade using another code. Be right back. I mean, assuming this thing hits my stop, which I think it will. It's always a possibility that it won't, but probably will. So anyway, I'll come back, and I'm going to take another entry, assuming it hits the stop, of course. Okay, it did hit the stop, and I have taken a short position using code 1. This will be the code 2 trade. I'm now going to hold this for 100 ticks. So I am short for 100 ticks right here. Actually, let me go calculate that a little bit better and see if it is good for 100 ticks. But the thing is, the way the daily looks right now, it should be good for 100 ticks. Here, I'll show you the daily chart. We just got a short entry on what looks also to be the code 2 trade right at the bottom of, a straight bar down, red bar, right at the bottom of the whole chart. I mean, we are at the absolute bottom of the whole chart, the whole daily chart with a red bar going straight down. I mean, that's like, handed it to you on a silver platter. So basically, it's just going to drop out here, and go down. It should go down 100 ticks. This shouldn't be too tight of a day, because we're going to make whole new lows on oil here. It could really make a move. I mean, it could really make a move. It's already made a $2 move down since technically the beginning of the day. A $2 move down. Now we're at the bottom with what looks to be like another code 2 short entry. How much more is it going to go down? Maybe another 200. So this could be a huge day here to go down. So 100 ticks should be in the bag. This, like I said, this is like handing it to you on a silver platter. Okay, I'll be right back. Stop is set to 43.35. So 9 tick stop. Be right back. This thing just came up and stopped me again. It does not want to be nice to me today. That's okay, because what it doesn't know is that I know the code. And I'm going to take another entry here. Be right back. Okay, I just got another code 1 short entry. And this one should drop out. So, yeah, lost some trades, but come right back with the code. Okay, I'll be right back. It is being exceedingly tricky today, obviously. We just got a full reversal right there. And we got a long entry off code 1. And it looks to be as a full code 2 reversal. So that's what it looks like to me. We'll find out shortly, because what happens is it's doing it right off the code. If it was going to continue down, it would have given a short entry, but it gave a long entry right off of it. Now watch it shoot up, because it's going to go up 100 ticks. going to make a full reversal on the daily as well. Tricky. It's a tricky day today. Tricky little day. Go analyze the code and see what it did. It's very tricky. And then it finally just made its move. And now it's going to go up. Go to. Okay, I'll be right back. And later today, when you look at it, you'll see, yeah, I took the trade right there. You'll see that I nailed it. You'll be like, wow, how did you nail it? Yeah, well, I lost a lot to get there because this thing got really tricky. It went up and down and up and down. Sort of a reason why it was so tricky today, because of the way the code worked out. But like I said, in trading, every day is a different day. So as a trader, you can't be like this kind of a person who is going to go eat at the same place every day, because that's your comfort zone, right? That's what you're used to doing. As a trader, you can't just get in your comfort zone that this is the way it's going to be, because it's going to be many different ways all the time, and they constantly change. So you have to always be ready to and able to adapt to that change, whatever it's doing, whatever you need to do. Okay, I'll be right back. Like, I'm looking to see this thing go long here, right? But what if it doesn't? And it gives a short entry off of another code. Obviously, I don't want to continue to hold it. I want to get in the right direction. So I would take that entry. Sometimes you do have to fight to get the right direction, which today I really had to fight a lot. I think it's going to go into trend mode. It's going to continue to go down even more. I'm going to jump out. Okay, I'm out right there. This thing's going to go down. I'm looking for an entry though, using the code. Look at it now, it's moving up. Oh man, I had it right and I let it go. Oh, I've got to wait for a code entry here. Yeah, I had it right. It's code 2 is to go long. Tricky day today. Okay, I just jumped in, bought long, because I can tell code 2 is just going to go up. It's probably likely going to just shoot up here. And I'm going in with a 20 tick stop. So it's 20 ticks loss, or I've got this right and it's going to continue to go up. And since it went down so big today to over 200 ticks, and that this is the code 2 now to go up, it's got a good chance to go up quite a bit. I mean, at least 100 ticks. Come back up halfway, it's just 100 ticks. If it comes back up all the way, it's 200 ticks. So it's definitely got a whole bunch of room there to play with. It should come up at least 100 ticks halfway. So that's an easy 100 ticks today. So I just grab the entry. I'm going to hold. And I'm pretty sure that code 2 is going to be long today. I'll be right back. Okay, I just had to reverse position because I just got a good code 1 short entry. So it's going to go down now. Let me go calculate where the code 2 is, because I'm not sure where it is at the moment. I'm going to go calculate the possibilities and see if this is possibly the right entry for the code 2. I'll be right back. It looks pretty good on the chart now, doesn't it? Right there, the entry. We're way down here. Still got quite a ways to go, though. I'll be back. Look at where we are, though, on the daily chart. We're sitting pretty right here. We're sitting really, really good right here with a mathematical confirmation of code 2 being down. I mean, sheesh. Doesn't get much better than that. This thing's just going to go down. At some point, I suspect it's going to capitulate. It's going to capitulate here soon, probably. And it'll get me out when it does. And then we'll see what happens. I'll be back. You never know, it might make a low on the daily chart on oil, and I'll catch the low. That's what I have my every intention of doing that. It's finally making a move down here. We'll see how much more it's got to go. I'm all the way down at 44, so it's got like 50 more ticks to go right now. I'm just waiting to see if this thing's gonna capitulate. Maybe make a capitulation move down. It's starting. Code 2 is still in effect. Still down and still looking for 100 ticks. I'll come right back. Code 1 short entry. Here we go. Oh, fiddlesticks. It must be offset. I bet anything it's offset, it's going to continue to go down. I'm not going to give up this short position here. Been holding it for a long time. Still looking beautiful on the daily. Now what might happen is it might go up into the third code 2. But what's going to happen is it'll most likely give a short entry for that, and the thing will go down even further. I mean, maybe another 100 ticks from there. So, I don't want to give up the short position, even though I may have to write it up a bit. Otherwise, it'll drop into the third code 2, which is what I'm hoping it'll do. Drop into the third code 2. It'll drop big too. Probably hit my exit. I'll be looking to exit down there somewhere. Down around the 40 area. 44, 50 area, something like that. Okay, I'll be right back. Yep, it was offset. It's a short entry. Here we go. Here we go. Maybe it'll finally capitulate here and drop out. Or maybe it'll keep going up and going down like a turtle and drive me crazy. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. It might drop big here. Come on, drop. Why does it always have to like inchworm its way down all day today? No big drops? No big capitulations? Come on. Give a code trader a break. If this keeps up, I'm gonna have to go around saying, can you spare some change for a code trader? Okay, I've got a I've got a protective stop on this at 43.01. What that'll do is make it so that if it does get hit, I'm gonna call it a day, and I'll still be in the green at that point. I won't have a losing day. And so that's what I'm just gonna do. Make sure the computer will take care of it from there. Now I am looking for an exit. Is this thing gonna capitulate, or is it gonna pop back up on me? It very well may pop back up on me. I should just get out here. I don't have a code entry, but I can see it coming. I'm going to get out right there. I can see it coming. What it's probably going to do is pop back up into the third code 2, and then it'll finally give over and go down, or it'll drop out into it. Don't know which. It's late here though. It's late and I need to get going. So I wanted to just get out, take the trade. At least I ended positive today, where I went down pretty big in the beginning. Looking for a big trade that just hasn't come. Hasn't come yet. Probably still will come, but it's going to make me wait, for another 2 hours to get it. I just don't want to wait. Usually I can get it within the first 2 hours of the market being open. Doesn't usually make me wait this long. Anyway, like I keep saying, every day is different. Right, just as I expected, it's setting up to go long here, but I'm not gonna take it. Okay, I'm done for today. Tomorrow's Wednesday for the news day. I'll come out and try to nail it, and using the code 2, of course. And I'll be back. I'll be here a little bit while to do the charting service. And let's track the code 2 and let's nail it for tomorrow. Tomorrow's an important, good day. It should make a move tomorrow. Okay, see you traders tomorrow. Happy trading.